Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Be Happy box collab with Teresa Collins. Alright, so let me go ahead and rip this thing open. I literally just received this in the mail, so I couldn't wait to get into it. So let's see. Oh my goodness, how exciting is this? All right. Wow, this tissue paper is so pretty. Look at that. I definitely need to save this for something. So pretty. Oh my. So let me go ahead and put this aside. Okay, so look at this. This alone is like gorgeous. This black with the gold foil. How pretty is that? And so this just gives you an overview of what is included in the box. So the first thing I saw was this little bag, and it says make your dreams happen. It's black with the gold zipper and just black inside. So very neutral, very cute. It does say the Happy Planner back here. And this is just perfect on the go for your washi, pens, scissors, you know what us planner babes need. So this is perfect. And then I see these puffy stickers. So let me just take it out of the package here so we don't get a glare. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna rip it open because I cannot handle that. So look at these. Girl with goals 24/7, boss babe, make today count. And these are just so cute. And I think I saw one of the squad members make paper clips from these, so that's a good idea. Probably gonna have to do the same thing. So these are so cute. And then is this half sheet envelope. Like, how amazing is that? They made an envelope for the half sheets. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a game changer. This is awesome, and I can't wait to either use it in my Fobonichi or in my classic Happy Planner. But look at this, how gorgeous is this? So pretty. And then we have the sticker book. This is exactly what I wanted this box for. So let me take it out of the package and do a quick flip through. And actually this is thicker than what I expected. So it is an actual sticker book. So look at this, the blacks, the whites, the pinks, so neutral. I am in love with this. And I'm thinking that I could use this sticker book for my birthday, which is in a couple of weeks. This is gonna be great. I'm so glad I was able to receive it just in time so I can use it for my birthday spread. Like, look at those dates. How pretty are those? This washi, all the positivity and motivational quotes that are in this sticker book. I am blown away. So neutral, so pretty. I am in love. Look at how they just threw in some gold as well. Just amazing. More gold, some focus. These have the clear backing to them. How pretty. These circle stickers. Wow, just amazing. And then the last page is some checklist. So that's it. I cannot wait to dive right into this one. So excited. And then we have this notepad. So once again, let's take it out of here. And it says get it done with goals week of. And then you have the dates over here, things to do, and a section for notes. And that is every single page as well. So excited. There's so many possibilities with this one, and it's just neutral. Like, how pretty is this? I think the neutral things are, the more I like them, because you could literally do anything, make it work for you. You don't have to worry about any color scheme, too many colors, having to coordinate. Like, boom, neutral, ready, let's go. And then we have the washi. OMG, am I excited for these. Like, how pretty is that? Be you, be brave, be bold. And then we have the florals and the black one with gold. I am enough all the way around. Very, very pretty. And then we have these hourly sheets. So these are actually punched. So let's see, they're punched and they're hourly down the side, and you have a main focus, a to-do, and grateful for. So we have the today and then the day up there, and they're all the same. How amazing are these? Like, just pop it right in, fill it out, there you go, you're all done. And then we have the cling, and so these are clear stickers, and you're able to go ahead and use them in your vanity, on a mirror, just anywhere you'd like to use these. I've seen the squad members put it in their mirror. Like, it looks so pretty. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put these, but the possibilities are endless. And then we have the actual planner, which I believe is a gratitude journal. So let's see. It says stay focused and extra sparkly. We have the gold plastic discs. Oh my goodness, look, so neutral, so pretty. Let's take this out. Okay. And then Stephanie with Teresa. And it says, we loved collaborating with Teresa Collins to bring you this empowering edition of the Happy Planner. Our trademark style, paired with Teresa's inspiring messages and classic designs, makes it easy to plan a happy life. Wow, very pretty. And then the first divider is this one, and it almost has a texture to it. Wow, radiate positivity. Wow. And so, yes, so this is going to be the gratitude journal goals for this week. One area I would like to thrive in, little things that bring me joy, simple ways I can be kinder to others, intentions for the week. Whatever you're thinking, think bigger. And this is grid paper. And so then we have these. What empowered me today? One thing I'm feeling positive about today. Today's highlight made me smile. Today's silver lining. How could it be improved? I like that. Daily gratitude. And then we have how did I take charge today? How I showed kindness. Today's highlight. Today's silver lining, and the daily gratitude. And so it goes throughout. Okay, and it'll just keep going. And then the next divider, the secret to having it all is knowing you already do. Wow. Very inspiring. Like, I love this. Wow, be kind. So pretty. I am in love. Oh my goodness. Never, never, never give up. Sometimes you just need that one reminder, and it is simple, to the point, and so inspiring. Beautiful. And then back, everything's the same, and our back cover and the back. Last, I believe the mug is in here, so let's go ahead and check it out. OMG, look at that pink inside. How beautiful, with the black handle. And then it says, this is a reminder that you can handle whatever this week throws at you. Wow, so pretty, and it's on both sides. I hesitate to use these to actually drink coffee because I don't want it to break. I don't want it to mess it up in any way. So I am hesitant, but I can put it on my desk, fill it up with pens or flowers or anything, but I don't want to use it. Like, I just want to keep it forever. Then it says the Happy Planner on the bottom. And how gorgeous is this? Oh, so cute. So let's go ahead and recap. We have the gratitude journal, the cling, the hourly sheets, the get it done pad, the sticker book, the envelope, the buttons, the bag, the washi, and the mug. It's so pretty and I'm excited to use it. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plants. And I'll see you next time.